Welcome back to Seeking Vegas Sunrise. We're in Denver, and this is a tour of the Catbird Hotel in downtown Denver, the Junior Suite. It's a convenient location, walkable to the Mission Ballroom, and very close to the stockyards where we were for a show. As we enter the room, you have a full kitchen setup, living room, and bedroom. The kitchen is fully stocked. You have plenty of dishes, a microwave, all the pots and pans you could need, and even a safe right at the bottom. The room features a full-size fridge, perfect for storing water so you stay hydrated at your concerts, a freezer, cooktop, lots of cooking materials, TV, and a sink. There's even a surprise dishwasher. There's a table that can also be used as a desk. Full living room area. The really cool thing is your TV, your main TV, is actually a projector on the window blinds. There's an armoire to hang up your clothes. A bed, super comfy. Really cool artwork. Thermostat in each room. And plenty of USB and regular plugs. The bathroom is a decent size. You have plenty of counter space to get ready. Really nice rainfall shower. And full-size shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. This would be a great place for a quick trip or even a longer-term stay. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you feel like it. See you at sunrise.